Hi guys, welcome back to Kit Car Direct and MK Sportscars, back in the workshop. And we're going to start off straight away, I want to dive straight into this. Spoke to you last week's MK Ind Est Classic, R1 engine, and one of the things that we said we was doing off and finishing off was the roll cage. So it's hard to show you everything that we do, you know, in terms of fabrication, but as you can see, all the rear tub has to come off, that's all gone back on. So it's been fitted during the week. Joseph's done a great job, welded in the plates. There's 2 plates down here you have to weld in these corners, and then there's 2 plates at the front here that have to be welded in. This is a 50mm internal cage CDS tube with side impact bars that are 38mm, and it's a bit smaller, but certainly gives you a whole ton of protection, especially if you're a taller driver. You get this section in here where your head sits, because you just kind of want about 50mm between the top of your helmet and the roll cage. So gentleman's got his car, he's quite tall, so that's one job. Dashboard all nicely tricked out and done. Got the DD2 in there behind the steering wheel, it's nice. We've got USB in here, we've got some black switches and a few other bits that we've got to finish off. And then fuel tank we spoke about last week, that's done. Fog light's been done, number plate light's been done. LED bulbs on all of those to modernise the lighting. And then moving out into engine bay, that's all been really tidied up, where we've got an electric water pump in here. There was a ton of stuff in here, so it's a big gap now. A ton of stuff in there, and that's all been tidied up. New radiator, new oil cooler, and we've plumbed in the original lines. We've redone the brackets just to centralise those as well, because they were offset from the wheels. Lots of wiring, and that's much neater and tidier under here now. Joseph's done a great job tidying this all up, because it was just stuff everywhere. A few other bits and bobs that we've been doing on it as well for the customer that we've still got to finish off, etc. as well. But coming along nice, it really transforms it when you put a cage on. It really changes the look of the car. Looks much more like a race car. Don't you agree, guys? Thumbs up. Right guys, M&R time, and lots going on with this one as well. We said last week about the wing stays, so we've put our ones on here because we're putting the flat top wings on here, which are on the side ready to bond on. So they've been made, bent accordingly, fitted, very strong, nice and sturdy. They've been done. The face has been put on it now, the nose, etc. The nice little bonnet catches, we've got these little black ones that we do. Make them very, very secure because they lock in place, but there's little rubber covers you can buy, putting over them just temporarily for IVA. Don't want to run them all the time, there's no point. And then under here, so the bonnet's all been fitted, the bodywork alignment's been done, which is nice, the fit and finish. Under here, lots of plumbing work been finished off under here that you can't really see. Even nice bits to do, like header tank's gone on now, fuel tank's gone on, all the wiring buttoned up underneath, map sensor's gone in, all of these little jobs that needed doing. Also we've drilled in and fitted also the side impact bars, just one little tighten up to do on this and a little cover for IVA. Dashboard, as you see last week, has been done, which is great. And tunnel tops, all final fit and finish has been done on that. And we've also carbon sleeved the steering column here as well, which really ties that in. So we've got a little bit tidying up and trimming that to do there. But that's super trick as well. So car's really looking like it should do. And this is the wheel we're going to be running, the CXR. Really nice rim that's on there. This will be down on the ground pretty shortly and ready to fire. It should be literally any day. It's in between videos, guys, we do it. Back panel, don't know if we showed you that last week, the boot panel. That's all been done. I can't remember if that was on last week's or not, but the plastic panel was supplied by the customer. We've made sure that it's a super tight fit on the trim here. So it's sort of velcroed in, so it gives it a hidden fixing really to it as well, rather than like look pretty sharp actually as well. So cleans it up nice and tidy. We like this nice clean look in the dashboard. I think that looks great. There was question marks whether to put that here, but looking through here and with your drivers, it was a bit grey area, so doing it in the centre just works. It's not really out of your eye line, everything works, all your warning lights come up on that, so it seems to work extremely well. So yeah, not ready for the boom noise to come on this one. Right, upstairs on the mez here, guys, got crates going loaded here. We've got a couple of crates, one here, one there, and one downstairs that's already sealed, ready to go off to the USA. And these ones are getting sealed up pretty shortly as well, because chassis production still continuing. These are kits ready assembled, ready to go out to the customers for collection. Collection dates are looming on those ones. Here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6 of them there. Roll cage production's been done. We've got already at least 10 FIA cages here, and down over here they've just arrived in from production. The Sport 200 rollover bars, which is the taller one on the rear. Another 10 of those coming into stock as well. So we're trying to build up all the stocks, trying to get them out, trying to crate them up. But don't forget, we can send it aboard. It's not a problem. You can crate them up if you're looking for a track day car and it's not road legal in your country, but you think I want an absolute track weapon, we can get that sorted out with you as well. Right, back over here at the demo car. Been doing a little bit on other projects, so this has slowed down a little bit. We've been mocking up the intercooler, oil cooler with a cup nose cone. This is just a mock-up one that we had of car 65. Different kind of oil cooler setup. We're trying a few different combinations that we're doing on that. Loom and everything else, and again, this one's super close to being ready to start. The handbrake thing has been done for the wheelwood, and I'll get that assembled actually ready for next week, so I'm going to show you how that's been done. And the big news is the new Bodywork's arrived for it. Chosen a colour, but I'm not going to tell you. You're going to have to wait to the big reveal when we bolt it all on. So yeah, looking forward to that. Essex nose cone is cup nose cone, flat bonnet, all the nice arches, all the frills going on this one. So it's going to have a comfy pack, padded seats and all of that malarkey. It will look the bizzo, but it's very different to what we normally do. Right guys, if you are looking to get into a kit car yourself, a sports car, track day car, a road car, don't forget, hook us up, phone call, email, come and visit us here at the factory. We can talk you around either like this, the Mazda car, or like that one there, which is a bike engine car, CBR. And if you want that instant gratification, you want it now, you can't wait, this one's for sale, the Mazda RX-5 140, really great looking car. Ex-demo car that a customer's had for a little while, moving it on to do another project, etc. Great car, that's instant gratification. And don't forget about the CBR 1000 over there. That's also instant gratification with just shy of 200 horsepower, bike engine, 6-speed sequential box, etc. And then very far at the back there, we've got the little MEV with a supercharged booster. So you've got 3 different price points. You've got sort of around 15 grand, around 18 grand and around 25 grand. So depending where your pocket sits on those, hook us up, phone call, email, come and see us again at the factory, and we'll happily, we'll have a poo if it's tipping down rain, but if not, we will take you out in this and you will love the experience. Well, that's it for this week, guys. What do you think though on this? New merch? I know I'm no model, but you know, something out there, that's on the website as well if you're looking for something for maybe a Christmas stock in there, guys. That's it for this week. Remember to like, share and give it that thumbs up, and we will catch you next week.